Hello guys, welcome to a video on this Gadget God, and today we are going to unbox the new LENOVO K5 Note and the Ant VR headset designed for Lenovo. Now I am going to unbox the K5 Note, and later on I will unbox the VR headset and I will leave the description link in the description, you can check it out. Now coming to this phone, I bought it on Flipkart. This has a two variants, one of 4GB and another one of 3GB. I bought 4GB RAM variant, which costed me around 13,500. It's a good amount of deal. The quick specs of this, it works on Helio P10 octa-core processor, which is a quite good processor for 4GB RAM, and 4GB RAM is also helpful for virtual reality. Now coming to the screen size, I have 5.5 inch screen size of this LENOVO K5 Note. As you can see, the box is quite clear. It has a Lenovo branding symbols on sides and some paperwork. Now let's get open. Now I tore off the plastic sheet and I think there is another seal here. Okay, tore this seal. Now let's get into it. Okay guys, here is the LENOVO K5 Note itself. Now I am going to take this device out and I will keep this aside. I will come for this afterwards. Now let's look at the inbox contents. You have some paperwork, SIM ejector tool. So on this, I hope it's paperwork. Yes, it is paperwork. You get the Lenovo quick start guide and stuff like that, warranty card. Let's keep this aside. Now you have got the charger, the normal USB charger, and now the battery adapter, charger adapter. It's a decent charger, not a very quick charging charger. You can expect a little quick charging from it. Let's keep this all aside. Focus it. Yes. Now let's come to the device itself. This device, LENOVO K5 Note, K5 Note, it comes with a screen guard. Lenovo has given us a screen guard, and it also comes with a protective film. Nowadays Lenovo products are coming out with a protective film. I don't know why they are giving a film, protective film. Now let's open this. Okay guys, here we have the Lenovo K5 Note. The build quality is quite good. It's back on the aluminium. Its back is aluminium, but sadly the sides are plastic. Yes, sides are plastic, and there's a fingerprint sensor, 13 megapixel front rear facing camera, and a dual tone flash, and a 8 megapixel front facing camera with backlit lights, proximity sensor, and a 5.5 inch full HD display. Now coming to the display, it's 1080 pixels, that is 1080p, which is quite good for this price range. Now let's boot this up. Boot it up. I think I can take the plastic out of here. You can see the device clearly. Okay, the plastic is out, and as you can see, the device itself. It's booting up. It's showing some animations. While it's booting up, I will compare this size of the phone with the Honor 4C. I'm using it quite a while from now. The size is almost the same, but this Honor 4C does not have a backlit options, but this has a backlit option which is pretty good. And now it's showing the startup stuff. Yes, it turns on your Wi-Fi, and I'll connect to this Wi-Fi. And yes, it is connecting to the Wi-Fi. I'm connected. Yes, next, SIM card missing, I will add it. And it will now ask for the Google account. Yes, Google account. I'll log in and come back. Okay guys, I now logged into my account, and it's asking some warranty stuffs, and now it's booting up. Okay, continue. Yes. Okay, it's in just a second. Not restore. This is my new phone. Most complete. Date and time. Yeah, it shows the exact date and time. It's all updated. I'll set my screen lock. I choose pin 1962. 1962. Show notification. Yes, I have to show. Set. Next. My location accuracy. And yeah, here you go. The LENOVO K5 Note just booted up, and you have the Vibe UI, which is pretty common on all Lenovo devices. The Vibe UI, as you can see, and there is a lot of bloatware in this device. I don't know if we can take this out. Let me see. Okay, I don't need this Evernote. Just try to uninstall. Okay. Yeah, we can actually uninstall all the bloatware, like for example this Myntra app. I not use Myntra, so I'll just uninstall it. Now here you go, the normal Vibe UI. I'll just change the background, it looks so dull. Hello. I'll just put it to this. Okay, just okay. The background is now changed, and as you can see, background is changed, and as you can see, the typical Vibe UI notification screen will change a little bit, and you have the do not disturb GPS, aeroplane, screenshot, screencast, and stuff like that. Now coming to this, to the view of the phone, it looks pretty well. Its build quality is pretty good. I need to test the fingerprint sensor. I heard that it is quite fast. Now you have the microphone and the USB, and here is the SIM tray. The SIM 1 tray is only for SIM, and the SIM 2 is actually hybrid tray. Now on the top you have a earphone jack, volume rockers, and the power button. There you go. And now you have, here is the LENOVO K5 Vibe Note, and stay tuned for the full review. I'll use it for around a month as my personal phone, and I will surely give you a review of this Lenovo K5 Note. I think it's a pretty good phone. I doubt on gaming. I am sure I'll give you a gaming review also. Yeah, that's it for today. If you like the video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.